6 Secret Tricks on How to Make Anyone Fall for You. Welcome, like and subscribe to this channel. In this video 6 secret tricks on how to make anyone fall for you will be revealed. 1. Mirror your partner. Think of or see the picture of the kind of partner you want in your mind, so when you see them, they will start liking you, and how to do that is by mimicking them, but don't do it too much, so they may start liking something about you subconsciously. 2. Spend time with them. Always keep in touch, show up always. People become fond of people they spend time with, and maintain eye contact while keeping in touch. 3. Show you are human but still intelligent and capable. Most people like people who are not perfect because they are imperfect too. People want to see you are intelligent at the same time, can make mistakes, show you have goals and can achieve those goals, also show you are human. 4. Show your positive side. Be happy and smile a lot. People like to stick around people who are happy and smile a lot. Smiling makes you more attractive, more engaging, and makes you look like a winner, which increases how hot and confident you look to someone who you are hoping to fall for you. 5. Wear the color red. Men are likely attracted to women in red. When going on a date or trying to get someone fall for you, put on red. 6. First impression. Make a good first impression. First impression, they say, leaves a long-lasting mark, like not being late to date is cute. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more relationship and psychological tips.